Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Ethyl acetoacetate is CH3-COCH2-COOH, which contains a ketone at C1 and an ester at C4. Moving on to the next step. Treatment with ethylene glycol, OCH2CH2O, under acid H+, selectively protects the more reactive ketone carbonyl as a cyclic 1,3-dioxolane acetyl. Esters do not react with alcohols under simple acid catalysis in the same way under these mild conditions. So, A is the compound where the ketone is protected as a 1,3-dioxolane and the ester, COOH, remains intact 1,3-dioxolane 2-vial CH2-COOH with methyl on the dioxolane ring, i.e. 2-methyl 1,3-dioxolane protecting the acetyl group, giving structure 2-methyl 1,3-dioxolane 2-vial CH2-COOH. Moving on to the next step. Grignard reagents react with esters in a 2:1 ratio. The first equivalent of PHMGBr adds to the ester to give a ketone intermediate after loss of OH-, and the second equivalent adds to the resulting ketone to give a tertiary alkoxide. So the ester COOH reacts with 2-PHMGBr to give C-PH, 2-ombre at that carbon. This gives B as the magnesium alkoxide of a tertiary alcohol with 2 phenyl groups, while the acetyl protected ketone remains intact. And for the final step, aqueous acid workup, H3O+, does two things. I. Protonates the alkoxide to give the tertiary alcohol C-PH, 2O, and 2. Hydrolyzes the acetyl back to the ketone CH3-CO. The product is CH3-COCH2-CPH, 2O, which is 4-hydroxy 4,4-diphenylbutane 2-1. This matches option B, a ketone, CH3-CO at one end, a methylene, CH2, and a quaternary carbon bearing 2 phenyl groups and a hydroxyl group. Why other options fail? A. Shows a single pH added and incorrect connectivity, would require only one PHMGBr and addition at different site. C. Retains the ester group, meaning the Grignard reaction with the ester did not proceed to completion, which is incorrect since 2 equivalents are used. D. Shows a completely different skeleton with a terminal phenyl ketone and alcohol, inconsistent with the starting material and reagents. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.